Welcome you all. Today we will explore the competency 3, which focuses on the using the computer efficiently with the help of the operating systems. We will dive into what operating systems are and their key functions and how they help us manage files and configure settings and optimize the computer performance. By the end of this session, you will have a solid understanding how operating systems work and why they are essential for the computer functionality. Okay, then let's start with the basics. An operating system is a type of software that act as the backbone of the computer. It manages the hardware, provides a user interface, and allows applications to run. Without an operating system, a computer would just be a collection of hardware components with no way interact with them. Then think of the operating system as the bridge between you uh, and the computer's hardware. And now let's look at the key functions of an operating system. Then managing resources. The operating system manages all computer's resources such as memory, process time, storage, and input-output devices like printers and monitors. Then second one is providing user interface. The operating system allows user to interact with the computer through different types of interface. Then command line interfaces, CLI. It use the type of commands to interact with the computer. Then second one is graphical user interface, GUI. It's used the interact with the graphical elements like icons and windows. Then next one is voice recognition. Some modern operating systems allow user to give voice commands. These functions make it easier for users to interact with the computer and run applications. The next one, uh, then operating systems comes in different types depending on the devices they run on. Then first one is standard alone operating system. Uh, these are used on individual desktops or laptops. Examples include the Windows and Mac OS. Then next one is network operating system. These are used to manage networked computers like offices or schools. For an example, Windows Server and Linux. Then third one is embedded operating system. These are found in devices like smartphones, smartwatches, and gaming consoles. For an example, Android and iOS. Each type of operating system is designed for the specific task and the environment. Uh, and one of the most important tasks an operating system help with is managing files and folders. The files can be of different types, such as audio files, video files, text files, or image files. Then folders are used to organize these files. The operating system allows you to perform common operations like creating, renaming, deleting, copying, and moving files and folders. These operations help keep your data organized and easy to access. Okay, then let's talk about the file's name and extensions. A file name typically has two parts: the name, the name given by the user, and the extension, which identifies the file type. Then, for an example, file name memo.txt. Then the memo is the name and the .txt is the file extension. The extension tells the operating system which application to use to open the file. For an example, .txt files are opened with the text editor, while .jpg files are opened with the image viewer. But then .pptx files are open with the presentation editor. Then .xlxs files are open with the spreadsheet editor in the Excel. Okay, then next one, uh, the settings panel is where you can configure various aspects of your computer. In Windows, it's called the control, and in Mac OS, it's called the system preferences. Then here you can adjust settings for the keyboard and mouse functionality, and the user accounts and passwords, and the network settings, power management, and sound settings. These settings allow you to customize your computer to suit your needs. Then the other one is operating system come with built-in utility tools and that help maintain and optimize the computer. The some of these tools include disk cleanup, disk defragmentation, and the check disk, character map, etc. Then, when we get the disk cleanup, it's remove the unnecessary files to free up disk space. Then the disk defragmentation rearrange the fragmented files to improve performance. And the check disk, it verifies and fix file system errors. And the uh, character map displays all the characters in instant fonts useful for special symbols. Then these tools help keep the computer running smoothly and efficiently. Okay, then next one is uh, practical uses of operating system. Then let's look the practical applications of what we have learned. Then file management, it's organize the files and folders to keep our data neat and accessible. Then system configuration, it's can customize the computer settings for better usability. And the other one is performance optimization. It use tool like disk cleanup and defragmentation to keep the computer running fast and efficiently. These practices will help you to get the most out of the computer. Then, uh, in the summarization, operating system are essential for meaningful computer resources, providing user interfaces and running application. We are covered the different type of operating system, standalone, the network, and embedded. Then next one is how to manage the file and folders. Then how to configure the system settings and use the usability utility tools, and the understanding these concepts will help the computer more efficient. Thank you for your attention. If you have any further questions or need clarifications, feel free to reach out to me. Have a great day.